Hey, it's Tom from Farland Classic Restoration in Englewood, Colorado. Just wanted to share a quick before and after look at the recently completed 1959 Porsche 356A Convertible D. Every single piece and part on this very, very rare Drowse body Porsche has been refinished, replaced, or restored. From a completely rebuilt original engine to a completely new interior installed here. The car had been repainted many times and was not the factory original colors of ivory over a red interior. So we started with media blasting. That showed us lots of previous damage. Our metal experts replaced the front and back sections and performed extensive metal work and repair all around to make the body simply perfect. Then we prepped, primered, and painted back to original factory color of ivory. We also replaced the interior completely in factory correct red. Now, this 64-year-old classic is heading back to the family that's owned it for decades, for hopefully another 64 years, or even more. It's always an honor to work on these beautiful classics, and we've been doing it for 32 years. Learn more about our concourse restorations at farlandcars.com.